see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Let's stir-fry celery with black fungus today. This dish is healthy and delicious, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Ingredients are celery, carrot, black fungus, and ginger. Celery peel-off fiber. Sliced black fungus. Chopped ginger. Carrot and sliced. Into sections. Blanch black fungus slices for 3 minutes. The blanching step removes dust, impurities, and harmful microorganisms on the surface of the black fungus. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add chopped garlic. Add carrot slices. Add celery. Add black fungus. Add 2 tablespoons water. One teaspoon oyster stock. Half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir-fry approximately a minute. Stir-fry celery and black fungus with oyster. Sauce is done. A simple dish that is not only delicious but also nutritious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Celery is rich in a plant compound called phthalate. This phytochemical relaxes your artery walls to help blood flow and to lower your blood pressure. Consuming celery regularly can reduce asthma symptoms. Vitamin C present in celery prevents free radicals from damaging any organs and lessens the severity of conditions such as asthma. Celery eases menstrual discomfort to some extent. Celery can ease bloating during menstruation due to its high water content. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.